Hi folks, part 6. The besiege of the fortress is underway. The capital investment forces are advancing with their catapults and dove messengers of truth to blow out the repulsing truth and order around the besieged disorder and give the order to give in, to surrender to their profit bombs and economic booms, while you are chasing a host of ghost balloons, hiding in the shadow dooms of your spirit on the backside of all the moons. To obey the rules may appear to be your main task. If you ever want to be on the moon and Mars, if you want to rover the surface of their scientific fields, to accomplish your new Russian dreams, to implement the global dreams. It seems in the global reality, the human dreams are all the same. About wearing a good pair of porcelain, in the mouth full of quality food, and getting away with the secrets of your childhood before blowing out your final balloon, when you know that very soon the judge should start to plow through the whole book of your life loom. To be the best of what you are, when the money problem is far from the solvent solutions, far from all the constitutions and declarations of the sanity way, where we are on and on, past insanity, or towards insecurity. Your personal security will be a crucial thing to think about, to live your life happy out of hazardous fallout that the founding fathers of the nations had to heroically bring out. Or ironically, was there any irony that the revolution was decreed, but the number of revolutions per minute hasn't increased equally and on equal right basis? Give me the Bill of Rights, including all the amendments you've ever made on the rule of human hate. How many times have you amended my fate when I was asking you to comprehend one simple fact, that I was under my teenage impact and just wanted to stay blissfully intact? Still, you tore the blanket down my stark nakedness, leaving scars and bullet wounds of unhappiness, cleaving and leaving traces of dead soldiers who roam and roam in my memories around enlistment posts, taking swears.